Today I'm making a 1-pan pasta dish. I've got a 32-ounce container of chicken broth and 1 pound of medium shells. To that, we're going to be adding this bag of the oven roasted diced chicken breast. You can make your own, but this makes it so easy. Just go ahead and add the whole bag. That. Spread that around. It's going to be so much chicken in every bite. Everybody's going to love this pasta dish. This is in half and half. Just going to add, just to make it extra creamy, half and half of this. Going to be adding some chopped garlic. Just get a nice healthy spoonful. Just kind of sprinkle that everywhere. Adding some black pepper. I love these shakers that have the lid because all you have to do is just sit there, just shake it, like twist it like this. Take your time, and then you've got a whole bunch ready to go right there. So sprinkle that all over the chicken and the pasta. And we're starting with this triple cheddar cheese. So good. Sprinkle that on top. This is going to be a cheesy dish. It's going to be so good. Going to be adding 2 cups of Colby Jack to that. So you've got 2 cups of cheddar, 2 cups of Colby Jack. And as if that wasn't enough, we're going to be adding 2 cups of this Italian style shredded cheese. Make it so yummy, and it melts so great because it's got that mozzarella in there. This is such an easy dish because that's it. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour. Wow, it's come out golden brown and delicious. I've got some parsley here. I'm going to add a little bit on top. Give this a good mix. Get all that cheese and the pasta and the chicken all combined. Smells so good, y'all. Okay, go ahead and get a plate. Some right out the middle, like that. Get some of that crusty, yummy cheese on top, like that. Ooh, steamy. Let me give this a taste test, especially that pasta. Make sure that it's not overcooked. It's perfectly cooked. And the chicken, it's a big piece. It's so good, y'all. You have to make this so good.